Sumerians were Kazakhs. Sumrun, Sumerian. The Sumerian civilization existed in the 5th millennium BC, and many peoples in the world consider that Sumerians were their ancestors. However, the Kazakh families or clans names Sumrun and Shumer are almost identical to the term Shumer. Other equivalents are Kiyening Jere, land or place of the nobles, and the Kiyening Yigleri, nobles of the shrine. The Sumerian Saggig and the Saggiga, black-headed people, are identical to the Kazakh Wungshen Kuyuk. All of them are lamp black, or Wungshen Kungut, only blacks. The detailed breakdown of the above and more discoveries are provided in my research called Human.